Welcome to the Open Elective course on entrepreneurship in plant-based drugs. Welcome back and welcome to the Unit 13, the Open Elective course on entrepreneurship in plant-based drugs. We have learned quite a lot about this topic in the previous videos. In this video, this is video number 13, in which let us understand the relationship between demand and supply. So this is a very important factor in marketing, very important factor in any industry, very important factor in any type of business. This applies to even plant-based drugs also. The demand is the amount of good or services or amount of commodity like drug or plant-based drug that is required in the market for a customer to buy, a consumer to buy. That is the demand. Demand is the requirement that people want to buy a particular commodity, a particular service. That is the demand. The supply is the opposite of it, where the amount of commodity or the service that is available in the market for the customer or for the consumer to buy or use. So there is always a gap between demand and supply. Sometimes the demand is very high, supply is less. Sometimes the supply is very high, demand is less. So we have to strike a balance between demand and supply in any kind of business. Even in plant-based drugs also, we have to strike a proper balance between demand and supply. So this is what we are going to learn in this video. What is the demand that is there for plant-based drugs in India, and what is the amount of goods, commodities or drugs that is made from the plants, that are plant-based drugs that are available in Indian market or in the global market. The demand for medicinal plants in India is driven by several factors such as traditional medicine systems that are prevailing in India, pharmaceutical industry which is growing like anything nowadays in India and abroad, nutraceuticals and functional foods. The fourth one is export market, which is now boosted by the policies of the government of India. The rising utilization of herbal extracts in the nutrition industry is driven by consumer demand for natural and functional ingredients, the growth of nutraceuticals and functional foods, the clean labeling movement, scientific research supporting health claims, and the trend towards customization and personalization. Herbal extracts derived from plant resources are seen as natural ingredients that align with the clean labeling trends. So all these are boosting the demand for medicinal plants and plant-based drugs in India. The global demand for medicinal plant is growing, and it is highly promising, especially in India. As per the WHO and global market values, the herbal industry is expected to reach $5 trillion by 2050. The status of medicinal plants in India is also very, very promising and very, very robust. There are 20 agroecological zones. It is one of the 17 mega biodiversities countries in the world. 7% of world biodiversity lies in India, and about 17,000 flowering plants are available. So in addition to that, there are many other factors that support that the medicinal plant industry, herbal industry is very, very promising and very, very robust in India. You can see the chart here which shows the rapid growth of this industry globally. And in this pie chart, you can see the different parts of the plant that are used for making drugs. And you can see here 17% of the drugs are made from the whole plants, and about 30% of the drugs are made from the roots. Likewise, different parts are used, and all these parts of the medicinal plants are on big demand globally, also in India. Though there is enormous demand, there are some challenges with respect to supply of the medicinal plants in India. One is over harvesting. Sometimes you harvest more than what is required. Land use and agricultural practices, quality control, and climate change. So these are the problems that we have to address in order to meet the demand of medicinal plants in India. The other big issue related to supply is production and cultivation. India's diverse climate conditions and soil types make it an ideal location for growing a wide range of medicinal plants, but there are other factors like the key cultivation areas have to be developed, which are Himalayan regions, Western Ghats, and central India. So these are the key cultivation areas. They have to be developed in order to meet the demand that is there globally, also in India, for medicinal plants and plant-based drugs. There are also issues related to the policy and regulation, and they are controlled by NMPB, Herbal Medicine Promotion and Regulatory Frameworks. So all these things are also have to be looked into in order to promote this industry. So in conclusion, the demand for medicinal plants in India is robust and growing, driven by both traditional and modern uses. However, the supply side faces significant challenges, including overharvesting, quality control issues, and environmental factors. Addressing these challenges through sustainable practices, enhanced research, and effective policy implementation, it is very, very crucial for ensuring the future growth and stability of the medicinal plant sectors in India. So we have to take care of all these things. Only then the medicinal plant industry, the plant-based drug-related industry will prosper very well in India, and that is the challenge for every one of us. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video with some other topic. Thank you very much.